four different seasons because the Earth is tipped as it rotates around the sun. When the Earth is tipped toward the sun, we have summer. When the Earth is tipped away from the sun, we have winter. So, it takes the Earth one complete year to rotate around the sun. And that is why we have four seasons.
March, April, May are the months in spring. The buds appear on the trees, the birds begin to sing. June, July, and August, it's fun to play outside. During these summer months, we have a great time. September and October, and November too.